kinematics in one dimension. Now let us talk about distance. So when we say distance, it is the length of actual path traveled by a body. So let us consider these figures. So let's say this is its first position and this will be its second position. Now if a body or a particle moves along the path of 1 going to path 2 or position 2, so its actual length of travel is this path, or simply path number 1. Or let us consider path number 2 from this position right after going to path 2 up in the second position. So its actual path or actual distance traveled is the length of this path. So let us consider this illustration. So a man walks 30 meters due north, then heads east for 100 meters. So what is the distance traveled by the man? So let's illustrate the figure. So you should be familiar with the direction. So let's say this will be north, and this is east, south, and that is the west. So let's say point A, our first position going heads due north for 30 meters. Let's say straight path going up. So that represents north. Let's say this is a point A, our first or initial position, then its final position after traveling due north for 30 meters. So let's say this is 30 meters. Now, then the man walks or heads east for 100 meters. So east is on the right side, so that is going to the right. So let's assume that is 100 meters already, so that is its final position. And the length of the distance between point B and point C is 100 meters. Now, so the question is, what is the distance traveled by the man? So let's say it says distance. So the distance is the actual path it travels. So from point A to B going to C. So the distance traveled will be equal to distance 1 plus distance 2. So let's say that is equivalent to first distance traveled is due north, which is 30 meters, and heads west for 100 meters. So its distance traveled is 130 meters. So this will be the final answer.